In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your Shopify favicon not showing up in Google search. This is a quick and easy tutorial that should only take about 5 minutes of your time. First, we'll begin by going to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Just click on the Login button, which is typically situated in the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your Shopify dashboard. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify homepage. This is your central hub for managing your online store. And from here, we can take the necessary steps to resolve your favicon issue. Next, head over to the online store section of your Shopify dashboard. You can find this option on the left-hand side of the screen. This section will allow us access to the themes and branding settings for your store. Once you've selected Online Store, you'll be directed to a page that shows your current theme. Here, find and click on the Themes option. This is where all of your theme settings and customization options are located. Now, it's time to customize your theme. To do this, look for the Customize button, usually positioned near your theme's name or image. Clicking on Customize will take you into the theme editor, where you can make various adjustments to the appearance of your online store. Inside the theme editor, direct your attention to the theme settings. This is generally found in a menu on the left-hand side. Theme settings houses all the different aspects of your theme's appearance that you can tweak, and it's where we will find the favicon settings. Within theme settings, look for an option labeled Logo and Favicon. This is where you can modify the images associated with your shop, including that elusive favicon. Once you've clicked on Logo and Favicon, you should see an option to upload your favicon image. Finally, upload your favicon image. This image should be a small square graphic that represents your brand, commonly seen in the Browser tab when a customer visits your website. Make sure the image is clear and visually appealing, as this small icon is often the first impression customers may have of your store when they search for it online. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have your favicon uploaded and visible in Google search results, enhancing your brand presence and making your Shopify store stand out more to potential customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips on optimizing your online store.